so this is the finished project. I don't have my higher camera set up. You'll see on the back, there's sections. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And basically you're going to do 5 poofs per section, and they're zip tied. So there's no cutting until you cut the zip ties. You start with your frame. You'll see there's 2 center lines, an inner and outer, and there's a part where it dips. We're going to use it this way so that it's kind of the bump. And so you set your bump down, then get out your zip ties so you have plenty of zip ties. And you're going to take the ribbon and just kind of lay it so it's on top of each other. I gave you this so you have a little guide, and it's an ish. This is not an exact science. So first you're going to take your ends and you're just going to kind of make it so it can poof. You're going to take your zip tie, and then you're going to find one of the bars, the crossbars, and that's how you get started. I just kind of like pulled that under, but it'll get hidden. I don't bother with cutting the zip ties till I'm done at the end because it goes much quicker if you just wait. And you're going to set that to the side. Hold your ribbon out so it's around 8 inches. And that's your little poof. And then you're going to take a zip tie, pinch it with your finger, and you're going to go through those under the 2 middle bars. Don't worry if it gets a little messed up when you do it. And then come around and tighten it. And then you can do your little foof and push it down. And then you just continue for 5 more. 1. If you kind of just fold it under like that, I feel like that helps to hold it. And you can either do it this way where you tip it over, or you can do it on the top and then just flip the tail of the zip tie to the back. And then you'll see this one looks a little bit more like a seashell maybe. 2. The trickiest part is just keeping your ribbon together. 3. 4. And I wouldn't worry too much about, like, 'cause you can kind of play with it, and, like, that can be, like, foofed later. Maybe that's something the girls could do. And so, with that, we have one of our 7 sections done. Don't worry if for some reason you overmeasure and you only can do 4 or something on the last 1 or 2, because that's where I can just put the ribbon on the bottom. And there you go. Thank you so much for helping.